Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix AI insights with Qualtrics, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Qualtrics account and log in. Navigate to the Projects tab on the top menu. Select the project associated with the AI insights you want to fix. Once you're in the project, locate the Data and Analysis tab on the left sidebar. Click on Data and Analysis to access your survey responses. Next, check if there are any data quality issues indicated, such as incomplete responses. If you find incomplete responses, consider removing or adjusting these entries. Now, move to the AI Insights section within your project. Click on the AI Insights button to view the current insights generated. Review the insights for accuracy and relevance to your research goals. If some insights seem incorrect, you will need to adjust the data inputs. Go back to the Survey tab and examine the questions that might be causing issues. Ensure that all questions are clear and properly formatted. If necessary, edit the question wording or response options for clarity. After making adjustments, return to the Data and Analysis section. Reanalyze the data by clicking the Recalculate button. Give the system a moment to process the adjustments. Once it's done, check the AI insights again to see if the corrections have improved the results. If the insights still do not meet expectations, consider adding new variables or questions to your survey. Update your survey design to ensure it captures all relevant data for AI analysis. Once you are satisfied with your data and insights, export your findings. Navigate to the Export and Import section and select your preferred format. Save your changes and download the updated insights report. Finally, document any changes made for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.